Happy Cinco de Mayo, everyone. I'm gonna go ahead and make an awesome drink today. This is a Spicy Mango Margarita, and I have jalapenos, I have lime. I already squeezed the juice of half a lime, and we have mango nectar, tequila, and orange liqueur. So I'm gonna go ahead and start mixing my ingredients. I've made a mango margarita before, but I have never made a spicy mango margarita, so there's not much to it. So an ounce and a half of orange liqueur. I have Alto's tequila, but any 100% agave tequila will work. So we'll go ahead and do about 2 shots of this, which actually is a little more than I should. I think I'm gonna have a little left over here. I'm gonna go ahead and put about 3 ounces of mango nectar. All right, that's about it, I believe. It gives it enough sweetness. This is gonna be delicious. And then I have crushed ice, so that's all you need. And then you shake. Give it a good shake until your tin is nice and frosty. That looks nice and frosty. There we go. I'm gonna go ahead and put this jalapeno. I removed the seeds because I'm a little bit of a coward, but you can leave the seeds in there. And on the rim of this glass, I have tahini, which is seasoning. And here it is. You can find it in your liquor store, I think they sell it at the liquor store too, but at your market they sell it. I'm gonna go ahead and garnish this with a lime, and you know it, a jalapeno. And there we go, cheers. Look at this, how pretty. Beautiful, oops.
And our simple digital tools will help you manage your account online. At Xfinity, we're committed to keeping you connected.
It's perfect. I think the more you drink this with all the tahini on the rim, is gonna bring all those flavors, and that jalapeno inside is gonna start releasing some of the flavor too. So there you have it. Enjoy your Cinco de Mayo, everyone. Yay! Cheers. So refreshing.